Hey, welcome to another episode. I'm Cliff. 2 days ago, my lens on my welding hood stopped working. At work, I run a Miller Elite. It's a Miller Elite shell and the headgear, and then the auto fader glass on the inside is one from Amazon. It's about 90 bucks. I could have got the original one that went in it, but it's the same price as the hood. So why buy just this? Why not just buy the new hood? So I just went ahead and ordered the one off of Amazon just to keep me going. It's 90 bucks. Now it went out, so now I either have to repair this one. I actually have another one that I bought before this one, but that one went out too. So I got two junk ones. I'm going to see if I can get one of them working. I have another glass on the way, and that'll be here on Friday, but until then I'm using a backup. The backup is some kind of off-brand. It sucks. It's not the clear view or the true light. It's just straight auto darkening, the heavy green. It's horrible. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to get one of the two glasses working and show you what's inside. So this is the lens that is inside of the hood right now. I got this one like 3 years ago. Not working. I just took this one out and got a new one. Before taking apart the one in my hood, I'm gonna go ahead and take apart this one and see if I can repair it. Took it apart last night and found that some wires were actually not connected anymore. So I took it apart and there's a disconnected wire. There's actually two there. I tried to super glue, but super glue does not work. And there's another one on this side. That little disconnected guy, I'm going to see if I can solder it back on and make it work. But just to show you what it is, there's your solar panel. Your solar panel is separate from the circuit board. Got your little solar panel, circuit board. Gotta make sure it fits all back in place. And you got your screen. Screen is connected to your circuit board. That is the part that goes dark when you strike an arc. And then you have your arc sensors. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4. And you got your buttons. Yeah, none of this is working. I can't really see that anything else is exactly fried. And maybe that right there, a fried area, if there's anything on the back side of that. And no burns or anything. So let's go ahead and get the glass out of the way so I can get to these connections. Man, they're so tiny. Oh, disconnected the other one. Guess we're in deep now. I went ahead and went to Harbor Freight after work today, got myself a soldering iron. I don't know if this is going to even be hot enough, but I'm going to give it a shot. Oh, look, that's cute. It comes with the stand. Oh, don't need no stinking stands. And you can't use soldering iron without solder. Well, you can re-liven the solder up, but I kind of want to at least touch the tip with it. Note that I'm working on a surface that I really just don't care about. It's made out of an old pallet, an old sewing machine foot pedal. I don't want to show you that because underneath is really dirty. Go ahead and plug that in. Get it going. And it's melting the solder. Look at that. There's one. I had some tweezers. Well, I guess I just needed to think smaller. This is a needle. Instead of using my finger, I'm going to use a needle. And there's that connection. Now to the next side. Here's one. Alright, now that's done. All the connections seem to be good. Tricky part is getting everything to fit where it needs to go. Get on my trusty old needle again. So if this doesn't turn on, it is trash. Oop, backwards. Hey, it turns on. Woo! It works. Mission accomplished. So now to put it back together. Another good thing to get from Harbor Freight, super glue. You get lots of it for cheap. You're probably thinking, man, you're putting it back together with super glue. Yeah, pretty much what they use to put this thing together. Getting super glue in your damn fingers never fails. And it works. See how it auto fades? Cut it off. That one's good to go. Try it out tomorrow. So I already took the other one out of my hood. This was in my hood the last time you saw it. I wanted to show you how I break these things apart. Just very carefully with the razor, I break the edges open like a screwdriver. Just kind of whittle your way in there. You're just going to super glue it back together. Inside of this one's going to look just like the other one. Hey, there we go. Alright, what do we got here? You got a loose connection. Hey, you see it already? Do you see it? I see it. Right there. This little wire right here is loose. This little guy. See, it's supposed to be connected right there. Right there. Why spend 80 bucks when you can repair it? If you don't want to, that's fine, don't do it. But it'll save you 80 bucks. But honestly, I spent $10 on the soldering iron, but it isn't only just for one job. I can use this over and over again. And solder, I got a whole crap ton. There it is. That was easy. Everything else seems in good working condition. You can tell I've used the crap out of this thing because see all the plastic, how it got warm and deformed. That's how bright the light is when you weld. It will melt plastic. If I knew that's all it needed, I would have fixed it back then. But now that these are both fixed, I'm going to have one that works. And then the one that's coming on Friday, I'll have two backups. So I will go ahead and put this one back in my hood. Make sure it's clean. The little protector lens in it. Works. That is the inside of a Auto-Darkening lens. Thanks for watching. So next time if yours goes out, just take it apart. You can throw it away, I don't care. Do whatever you want, but if you want to fix it, that's how I fix mine. So, went ahead and fixed two. If I would have known to take it apart, or thought of taking it apart and trying to fix it, I would have done that and saved money. So hopefully this video has helped you. If you got any questions, let me know down in the comments. If you want to see more of this content, like and subscribe. Hit the bell icon to get notified when I release a video. See you later, guys.